was near the lights of Broadway, across the street from Central Park, neath the street lamp on a corner, by shops all closed and dark. An unlikely scene for any town, yet no one stopped and stared. An old man played piano, all alone I watched him there. He played there on the sidewalk, he did not notice me. His head was bowed with long gray hair, his music full and free. His melody beseeching, it echoed sad and strong. His hands so swift and gifted, his melody flowed on. The music then it climaxed, and sweetly it did end. This concerto on the sidewalk, I clapped, he looked up then. So I walked on over to him and put some money in his cup. He greeted me, hello there friend, he smiled and then stood up. Well, you're a fine pianist, I told him, but he only shook his head. I'm just a bird, music's the wind, he smiled at me and said, I'm just a bird, music's the wind, my spirit's flying free. I'm just a bird, music's the wind that carries me. I came here from the desert, and it's there I'd rather be. Out there you always feel the wind, out there my spirit's free. I'll go back there one day to die, but life has led me here. He stared past me with vacant eyes, soft and moist with tears. They want to capture me, he spoke, and a madness filled his eyes. They want to put me on TV, they want to steal my flight. I'm just a bird, music's the wind, my spirit's flying free. I'm just a bird, music's the wind that carries me. The piano was an upright with carved and scrolled design. It stood atop a frame on wheels, and a chain hung down beside. Well, I asked him where did it come from, for there was no truck or storage near. He said, I move it from the village, each day I draw it here. You drag it by yourself, says I. No, no, it's not that way. I move it on the wings of love. It's here I need to play. His hands upon it lovingly, he stroked a sculpted dove. Old hands on old mahogany, a gentle act of love. I'm just a bird, music's the wind, my spirit's flying free. I'm just a bird, music's the wind that carries me. The wind brought this today, he spoke, I think you'll like it well. He played a deeply moving piece, and the music rose and swelled. Well, the crowd then from the theaters did stop and some did stay. At first a few and then 4 deep, they stood to hear him play. When that piece had ended, applause did ring the air. Yet still he turned and he spoke to me as if they just weren't there. Well, I thanked him then and I turned to leave. Come back again, he said. I knew I'd never pass that way. Chance meetings always end. Now some may think him crazy, that madness in his eyes, and some may never stop to hear his music as it flies. But his airborne gift, his public song, I carry it within. And sometimes when the night is still, I hear him in the wind. I'm just a bird, music's the wind, my spirit's flying free. I'm just a bird, music's the wind that carries me. Fly, fly away. Fly, fly away. Fly, fly away. Fly, fly.